Hi, I'm Nick from Glowforge. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to take care of your Glowforge Spark. The information in this video applies to our Glowforge Personal series, which includes both Glowforge Spark and Glowforge Aura. I'll be using Glowforge Aura in this demonstration, but you can follow the same steps with your Glowforge Spark. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Nick from Glowforge, and today I'm going to show you how to safely move your Aura printer, whether that's across your house or across the country. You'll see how to package everything to make sure your move goes smoothly. So let's get started. Whether you're moving your Aura yourself or sending it to us, you'll need to properly repack it, and that's to make sure that it's not damaged in transit. Luckily, you already have everything you need in the Aura box. Let's start by unplugging your printer and detaching the exhaust hose from the back. Remove any material from your Aura and then lift out the cutting tray. Put the cutting tray into the cardboard envelope and then nestle the envelope into the middle of the foam and the bottom of your Aura box. For the next step, have the rear cardboard box and the foam block close by. Lift the laser head, separating it from the magnetic dock, and take care not to disconnect the laser ribbon cable. Then, holding the laser head in one hand, place the cardboard and the foam behind the laser arm just like this, and then gently slide the laser head into its foam block with the logo facing up, carefully guiding the silver ribbon cable into the slots in the back of the foam block. And then finally, place the square foam piece over the laser head. It's now secure. If you need to pack your exhaust hose and the power cable, they fit neatly into the box like this. Now you can put the second cardboard insert into your Aura. It will sit in the bottom half of the printer bed, and it keeps the laser rails from moving. And we're almost done. Next, place your Aura back into its box and put the top piece of foam over the printer. Close the box and you're ready to move. Congratulations, your Aura is now snug and comfortable for moving. To learn more about working with your printer, check out the Aura Print Basics video series in our Help and Learning Center on support.glowforge.com.